Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to PEPE Update. So my expectations are actually quite met, and everything that I was thinking that PEPE is gonna do, wants to do, is basically met. So I gave you the demand box yesterday, and I told you that this demand box is gonna be very, very important moving forward for PEPE. And we finally met this technical target as well. I gave it this technical target basically when we were roaming around this place. We started moving up and down like this, and I was looking forward if we can do this back in maybe 12th June, and we're almost at 17, 18 June right now. And all you did is you moved sideways and then you broke out, and you actually met the target, and you also are looking to touch this trend line once again. That's my personal opinion. So if I do zoom out just a little bit from PEPE, you do have this one touch, second touch, third touch, and a little bit of the fourth touch that is coming in right there, right? There's this one scenario. Now that you're holding the demand box, not that you're breaking out of here, now that on the weekly time frame you do have the first green candle, which is amazing. Can we get PEPE to break above here, back test, and you're looking for a very big push all the way up here to this place? So basically you're looking for a setup which is almost nearly 30% move to the upside, okay? And if something like this happens, I think I'm going to be giving this call on my private channel. And speaking of my private channel, there are some people who actually want to take trades that I make. You pay me, I do the research, the hard work, and the dirty work, and you get the setups. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now, if you're a PEPE fan, you might know about ladies and bobs. So today we actually took ladies. Before the start of the PEPE video, I also gave a PEPE call when PEPE was really, really down before going up. And right now I just gave ladies, and we're actually 30% up as well. Yeah, so my calls actually claimed by technical analysis, like, ladies was having this pattern. It broke out and I started to trade it to the upside, and we're almost reaching the target right over there. So PEPE is not any different. And PEPE is not the only thing that we're going to trade. So basically, imagine just like ladies broke out, this is going to break out, and it's going to go to the upside. Now, I'm not only researching PEPE, but I'm researching a lot of coins in the background as well, other than PEPE and ladies. And this month I've actually been giving some few. It's almost like this month we've been 50% up. Okay, we've been trading other different coins as well. So it's really cheap, 10 USDT per month. And let me know on Twitter if you want to join and be a part of this one. I think that it's a no-brainer if you want to try. Come on, man, you're welcome to do that. So here we go. And the weekly, once again, I'm just going to dive into the weekly time frame, and because the weekly does look amazing to me personally. And you do have this little bit of a doji coming in. Now you do have 1 day, 16 hours. This is the weekend. The new week is approaching. This week is coming to an end. And how you're going to be ending this week is going to be quite important right now. And can you finally just try to break above here and move and make a bullish engulfing candle and try to move even higher next week? That would be really, really awesome. Okay, so it could be taking some liquidity up there because people are trying to short PEPE. People are now turning bearish on PEPE, so we might have a little bit of a pump there. But let me tell you one thing, that if we end up, once again, I always say this, and I'm also going to bring in the EMAs as well, because EMAs are really, really important. Keep in mind that EMAs are still making PEPE suffer. So you can see that on the daily time frame, the 10 is stopping PEPE from going up, and you also need to break the 20. And that's the reason why I say, if you're going to break this trend line, you're looking for a 30% move up, right? So that means that you're going to break the 10 EMA, you're going to break the 20 EMA by climbing above these two EMAs. The 20 comes down, you retest the 20, and you have this little, do you see that small little blue line, which is the 55 EMA? It's actually somewhere up here, okay? And that's where you're looking to tackle the 55. Get rejected the 55, hit your head. This is where you have your resistance there, 55 resistance, another resistance, and probably get rejected and start to go down to 5,500 and something like that. And if you do break above here, it's a different story. You keep moving higher. So do expect it to break up. So let's do a quick recap. Lose this, 5,500 is in play. hold it and break above here and retest this trend line and the EMAs, you're looking for a 30% move up. Get rejected right over there, you might actually come crashing down again, or break above it, you're looking for higher targets, which we're going to talk about in the future updates as well. So that's it for this update on PEPE, and let's see what goes on. Common signals, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.